All women who are Kentucky residents and of childbearing age shall acquire a signed and notarized statement from a practitioner licensed pursuant to this chapter each month that states whether she is pregnant or not pregnant. If pregnant, the signed and notarized statement shall provide the status of the pregnancy. The woman shall submit the signed and notarized statement to the Cabinet of Health and Family Services each month. Any woman who fails to provide this monthly signed and notarized statement to the Cabinet shall be subject to arrest and fines. Any woman who is pregnant and fails to provide this monthly signed and notarized statement to the Cabinet will be fitted with an ankle monitor for the duration of the pregnancy, in addition to any arrest and fines. It's just going back to states' rights. We're just giving the states the rights to fucking... That's what fucking happens when you let these crazy right-wingers that run the states make the fucking laws. And no, it's not a joke, and no, it's not a fucking fake. Do you want me to read it for you again? Every month a woman has to report to a fucking bureau if she's pregnant or not. If she is, she has to have monthly reviews on how the pregnancy's doing. If she fails to do that, she can be arrested or fined or put under house arrest with a fucking ankle monitor to make sure she doesn't run away to get a goddamn abortion. It's just a state right. This is the fucking world they're making, man. And not to use the cliche Gilead association, but it's the world they're fucking trying to make, and it's spot on. This is a fascist, theocratic fucking state filled with corporate domination and patriarchy that these people are trying to make. They're trying to make one whole half of the human population of this country fucking slaves. This is the state right. There's nothing protecting people from this sort of abortion legislation now. I'm sorry, guys, but I mean, it's fucking... This is the shit the Nazis did, man. Over and over again. Each week, we see some new fucking Nazi legislation. This is one example of it. Have you ever asked yourself what you'd do in 1930s fucking Germany? You got your answer. Because it's what you're doing now. What are you doing? That's the thing with Nazi Germany. They showed a little bit of rebellion and the this and that, and they show people being filed away to their fucking doom. What they don't show you is the average, everyday German that just minded their own fucking business while this shit happened. Many of them didn't even see it. They kept going to work. They kept paying their bills. They kept going to church. And by the time it was over and the smoke was rising up out of the crematoriums, they were like, oh, fuck, I didn't know it got that bad. I just went to my job. So if you ever wondered what you're doing during the rise of the Nazis, it's what you're doing right fucking now, man. And just like then, the liberals didn't do shit. Who did do shit? It was the socialists. It was the trade unionists. It was the communists. And what did Nazis do with them? They round them up. They put them in prisoner camps. They were the first ones to break in those fucking concentration camps. Got the cots nice and warm for everybody else. And the ones that wouldn't go to the camp, they shot them in the fucking street. We are 2 hops and a fucking jump away from that right now.